All right, so what are the pros of banking with a bank? Well, some people that work for banks will tell you. People that I was in Wells Fargo the other day, and they're like, "Oh, we're the best relationship banker in the world," and I don't know why you'd ever bank with a credit union. And I'm just smiling. I'm like, "You really don't have my best interest. You're just trying to sell me on your bank and your banking products." When Wells Fargo is good and all, but they're not the best bank out there, nor are they the best solution for everybody. Okay, so what are the pros of a credit union? Well, the pros are going to be there's going to be usually better technology, right? So your apps could be better. They could do more things, give more capability for you to be on the go. We live in a mobile world, so the bigger the bank, the bigger the budget, right, for their mobile app. And then they also want to make a better mobile app so they can leverage, cash flow and hiring people and things like that. So better technology could be something there. If you guys are doing banking across the world, that could help you guys out. More accessible. Usually they try to put branches all around Bank of America, Wells Fargo, right? Chase Bank, things like that. These are going to be your big banks. They're for profit. They're shareholders. They need to open so many accounts. They need to do so much growth in a specific year, okay? So they're always going to have the bank in mind and not the consumer in mind, in my opinion, okay? There also could be some more security, fraud protection, different things like that. Rewards could be better, right? There's a lot of people that want the Chase rewards for a reason. There's a lot of people that want the Amex rewards for a reason, right? The Bank of America rewards for a reason. So they have a part to play, right? So I would like to know, before I get into the credit union, what is your favorite bank? Do you prefer banks? Do you prefer credit unions? Comment below. Let us know. These videos are also engaging. So when you guys are commenting on the video, other people can comment as well, and we all can learn together and learn from the data points and get different insights that maybe we didn't know. Okay, so I invite you to comment if you bank with a credit union or a bank, and if you bank with a bank, what bank do you like? Okay. Now let's talk about the pros of a credit union, okay? And these could be, these are going to be also the cons of a bank, right? So the pros of a credit union will be the cons of a bank. So the credit union is going to be big on relationship building, okay? When you have a local credit union, you have a relationship. They may start knowing you by the first name. These are going to be member owned. So it's a nonprofit, member owned. And so that's really helpful because sometimes they can take situations outside of just your credit score. And as you build a relationship, checking, savings, money market account, whatever the case is, they may say, okay, great. We'll extend you a credit card, or we'll give you a line of credit because you've had a relationship with the bank. And so that's why I'm really big on credit unions, is because it's easy to get your foot in the door with a credit union with a secured credit card. If you have bad credit or you're starting out credit, get that secured card paid for 6 months and then go for an unsecured card or go for a secured card that graduates. And then you can start creeping yourself into the credit union and building credit, which is also going to help you do that again with another credit union. Okay, so if you're out there watching this video right now and you don't know who to bank with, where to start, I would recommend Google what credit union's in your back door that you want to go in and start building a relationship with. Or I have a playlist, and you guys can click that playlist of all the different top credit unions. And nowadays, you can actually bank without ever going into the credit union. Most of the credit unions that I deal with, I've never, ever, ever walked into the credit union. I've done it all online. And you can gain your way in there usually by joining an association or a nonprofit that they're attached to. And then you're in the door, okay? So, member owned. Also, one of the things that I really like is you're usually going to get better loan rates, personal lines of credit, and credit card rates with a credit union. There is some really aggressive low credit card interest rates with places like Navy Federal, all different types of, WeCoo. So there's a lot of different credit cards with great credit card rates and loan rates. I mean, almost free money in a sense on the car loans, right? So if you're looking for a car loan, it makes a lot of sense to have a relationship with a credit union. Hey, what's your car loan rates? Things like that. I can't stress the importance of a credit union. Now, what is my decision? Is a bank better or is a credit union better? I prefer the credit union. But I do bank with the big banks. I bank with Bank of America. I bank with Wells Fargo. But now that you guys have stuck around to the end, I'm going to give you my favorite bank and my favorite credit union. But before I do, go ahead and comment below what your favorite bank is, what your favorite credit union is. And if I haven't made a video about it, I'd love to research it and make a video for all of the community, okay? So go ahead and like, comment this video, and let's get into my opinion. So as far as credit unions go, I'm going to give you a couple nuggets. My favorite credit union is Navy Federal, and the reason for that is it's if you're associated in the military or you can get into the credit union, I like that. There's a lot of different backdoor approaches as well. I'll make a video on that. Be very careful with that because they can freeze your account if they audit you and you didn't get in a valid way. Okay, so just be careful about that. But I like Navy Federal, and then number two. I like Navy Federal for just all over the place because of they call it the house of high limits. You know, you can get an $80,000 credit card. Their other credit cards are 50 grand. You can work your way up to that over time. Home loans are incredible. I'm going to be doing a video on their home loans. It's crazy. I mean, shock you type of crazy. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel. All these shameless plugs, right? Got to do it. So I like Navy Federal. If you're outside the United States or you travel abroad a lot, I like the United Nations Federal Credit Union. They have a lot of different products, you know, secured loans, credit cards, lines of credit, helping you purchase foreign real estate, bank transfers. A lot of times our transfer system here in America is kind of clunky. Overseas, they do a lot of wire transfers and things like that. So they're really equipped for that. And then there's another one that I'm researching. I don't want to throw that out there just yet because I want to do a little more research, but I like Navy Federal and I like United Nations Federal Credit Union. And I also bank a lot with Wacom Educational Credit Union. I'll be doing a video on that. All right. So those are the credit unions I like. As far as the banks that I like PNC and I like Regions Bank a lot. Those are going to be two medium-sized banks. I'm not a big bank guy. I utilize them. I use the big banks when I need to. I'll have as many depth weapons as I can. You never know when they come into play. But I'm a big credit union guy. Okay, so those are going to be my preferences. Guys, it's already getting late into the video. I want to go ahead and end this now. Make sure that you like the video, comment your favorite credit union or your favorite bank, subscribe to the channel. Guys, I want to show you something real quick. You guys want to subscribe because these are all videos that I'll be making here. I content batch, so I make videos and I want to release it to you guys so you guys get free education. I'm not charging anything for this. Google's paying for this with ads. So go ahead and like, comment, subscribe to the videos, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.